people. Yeah, we're gonna make a video. We're gonna just randomly rap to Airplanes by B.O.B. and Haley Williams.
We're going to try to.
Yes, we will try. Justin, shut up.
That's not where you speak.
Oh well. Okay, so yeah, we have lyrics, so we won't exactly be paying attention to the camera.
We're just gonna go with whatever the heck we can do.
Woo! Yeah!
Okay, go us. Turn it up a little bit. Guys, be quiet. We're trying to do a video.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now. Yeah. I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after the party and the passion and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, glitz and the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time when you fade to the blackness. And when you stared at the phone and you laughed and you hoping them people never call you back. So the story unfolds, you get another man soon after you fold. And when you count, the life from the sand, what you wish for if you had one chance. So airplanes, sorry I'm late. Close that gate.
I'm on my way, so don't close that gate.
Then I'll switch my flight and I'll be right back at it by the end. You pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now. Somebody take me back to the days before this was a job, before I got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my bank. You're back when I was trying to get a tip at some kiss your cake, jerk. But nowadays we rap to stay relevant. I'm guessing that if you can make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe I'll go back to the days before the politics that we call the rap game. And back when nobody could whatever this is. Above it, right? So that is the politics and get back to the music that started this shit. So I'm gonna pretend everything I say. I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of airplanes. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now. I can really use a wish right now. A wish right now. Oh my gosh, that was horrible.
Yes,
but yeah, we were so bored and we thought we would do something like that.
Yes.
Oh yeah, we are awesome. And Justin, you guys were talking in the background. WTF?
Hey, look, isn't this cool? I have a gauge.
You can't see it if you keep on moving on.
No, hold on. I'm gonna go up to the camera. Can you see through my ear yet? No.
Yes.
No, you can always see that there's a hole.
You can see that there's a huge hole.
No, hold on.
There
Let me
was
get my
a hole. The hugest hole. The hugest hole.
No, it's not as big as it was before, but here, I'll show you a picture. You can actually see through the hole. It's pretty cool.
There was a hole. There was a hole.
Yeah, you can actually see through the hole. So it's pretty cool.
There was a hole.
I'm only at 8. It's not really that bad. So yeah.
Shut up, you guys.
But anyway, since there were so many holes, we're gonna go.
Yeah, okay. By the way,
Swedish fish!